Hello, welcome back to my second YouTube video on this channel. Sorry, I'm not set it up right. But today I'm doing my squishy collection. I had to restart this video because my data went off. For God's sake. Okay, but my data my phone went off because of my data. But it's back now, it's better. I can just move this over. Okay, let's continue and act like that did not happen. It's going to fall in a minute, but whatever. So the first one I'm going to show you, I'm not going to do this any order. Don't judge me. This is the one that I've been playing with. This is my first ever homemade squishy, and I haven't made any more than this because it's super bad. And it's made out of carrier, but I keep it for memories. The next is this one. This one was a rip-off because this was £16, and so this. I got this one for Christmas off my grandma, even though it does smell good. Well, I think it's good anyway. No, it's all going to tumble down. The next is this one. I got this one a couple of days ago because my best friend Chloe said to me, why don't we go in Tesco and get squishies because they're only a £5. And we got one each and we had to DIY them. This is actually the actual pink that was on it. And then I put it in. This was just supposed to be all white. Well, it was until I painted it brown. So like drizzle, but it didn't really go well. And I drew on the face and stuff. The hairs is quite good. The next is this milk carton. Got this one in England. There's like this shop called Parizia. It's in Middlesbrough, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, doesn't smell bad. This one was my first ever real squishy. And cause my best friend, one of my best friends actually, I did a trade with her and she just gave me this with 3 LPS. This is at the start of year 5, now I'm in year 6. Because we're supposed to wear white if you're below year 6. But now I'm green, because I'm older. But the whole ear, literally came off. I don't know which one it is though. Well, I know the board definitely came off, but it smells okay. Next is this one. My bestest friend, loves this one. I got this one with my grandma, and she loves it. Yeah, but the unicorn isn't as soft as the moon. Sorry, this may look tilted, but I can't help that whatsoever. So I'm sorry. This may be bad, but this. Oh my god, it's so cold over here. Next I have is this toast. I put some pink nail varnish on and then put some brown on and it came like this. It's just the same on the side sound is, I'm not sure. This one, I got this one in year 4. So I've got this one for quite a while. The next is this popcorn, and when I was trying to film the video, I literally looked and it has rainbow on it. I don't know if you can see, but it has rainbow stuff on it. I don't know what it's off. But here it is. My best friend Chloe absolutely adores this one. This is a favourite. The next is this bread something. The bits where it's more shaded in, I put in, so it's like a real effect. Even though it's not. Why do I keep saying best friends? My friend Chloe hates giving me this one because she didn't want it, and I understand why. The next is this poop squash iron. I got this one a couple of days ago with my grandma because I went somewhere. Stockton, I think. And in the pound shop, there were some squishy, like really small ones. This was the most slow rising one, so I got it. Doesn't smell of anything, obviously. Then I got this Abloon squishy, but yeah. Got this one for Christmas. I got this one for Christmas off my grandma. I got this rainbow cake. This one was for this year's birthday for me. And the bits that are rainbow, I coloured over. So, there's that. Doesn't smell of anything. And then I got the summer. I got this bread that kind of ripped in half. Super nice in there, in the inside. My best friend Chloe gave me this one because she didn't want it. Next is this ice cream. I got this one a while ago with my grandma. My best friend Chloe also has one of these, but hers is rainbow. And hers is harder than mine. The next is this ice cream. It's yellow, but it may not look yellow on camera. Because I added stuff yellow to it, so it's like a lemon with chocolate drizzle, which is not very nice, but please tell me if you like lemon with chocolate drizzle in the comments below. It's already been 6 minutes. I need to hurry up because it's going to take forever to load. Oh, it's only this. After this, it's the last one. I have this purple cat squishy that my mom got me. It's quite hard, defected. The last one, at Tesco, when I got, if I can get it out, this squishy with my friend. She got this one, but hers is turquoise. Almost worse after, but nice. My mum got me this, and that's the end of my squishy collection. This will be updated in a couple of months. I'll do an updated squishy collection and stuff after a couple of days and stuff. But yeah, there's all my squishies. Please like this video, subscribe, and I post whenever I can, or when I'm not busy. I don't know when that is, but yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye YouTube. I can't reach over.